It's 5/14/2013. We are at 339 Rockwood in South San Francisco. I've got the camera in the pipe already, and I've done a locate, but this is as far as we can get. Right at this point, there seems to be an offset and enough of a drop in the line that I cannot get the camera to go through here. I've pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed. I've got water running in the line to try to ease the camera down. That generally helps. And I'm continuing to push, but it will not hammer its way past. There's a pretty hard spot right there where it almost looks as if the pipe is curled up a little bit. I do believe, I'm sure as a matter of fact, that we're looking at Orangeburg pipe. We're about 8 feet from the front of the house. I did a locate. It is actually right underneath the concrete walkway up to the front door. You can see where the water's puddling right there. It almost looks as if there's a piece of the pipe curled up, which is not uncommon with Orangeburg pipe. We'll pull back slowly. So you can see on the very left hand of the screen where the water is running over, we'll push right back to it there. There's the typical bump in the bottom of the Orangeburg pipe that you frequently have as the pipe starts to delaminate and push up into the flow line. There's another right in the middle of the screen there, another littler bump that goes up. We're coming back toward the house. A lot of roots growing in the line. This is probably where it changes from the house cast iron pipe to the outside of the house Orangeburg pipe. And we're going through a couple of turns here where you can see there are lots of roots growing in the line. And I believe we're coming right back up into the cast iron. There we are. We're back into the cast iron. Our only choice now is to just pull this all the way back and come out the clean out that's in the crawl space of the house. There was no other point where I could get the camera in, but there was a 4-inch clean out under the house, and it was relatively easy to get to. All of this piping up under the house is elevated up under the house, and it looks to be just fine. I think the only issue is outside the house where it changes from cast iron to Orangeburg pipe, and I can't even get the camera there. We've got water running in the bathroom sink, and now we're going to be coming out of the 4-inch clean out right there under the house. And at this point, we're going to call it end of video.